Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing so great. So today's recipe, I'm making this cabbage fufu. Some people be wondering, what is cabbage fufu? How does it hold? What do you use to bind it? All this you are going to see in this my video. So you can see I have one cabbage here, and it's going to be enough for this our fufu. What I'm going to do now is for me to wash it very well, chop it, then now blend it. So I'll just go and chop it. I've already washed it, but by the time I'm done cutting, I still need to wash the inside of it. So now let me cut and then chop it into bits. The first time my friend saw me making this, she was wondering, what are you eating? How are you going to eat this? I told her, there now, so you are liking my skin, you're liking my shape and everything. So if you want to have my skin color and my shape, then you have to key into this. Because this cabbage fufu is so healthy, it's filling, gluten free and low carb. So if you're trying to lose weight, this is the right thing for you to eat. After cutting like this, I'll just pour in some salt to wash it very, very well. Or if you have vinegar, you can use it to wash it. You have to wash it very well because of sand and anything that moving in. You know that cabbage comes in layers, so you don't know what is inside the layers. So you have to cut like this and then wash. So when this is done like this, you get your blender and then you take them in, add some water so it can blend very, very well. I'm done blending. You get your sieve or your cheesecloth and then sieve out the water so it will be so drained out. So my people, see what we have here. See how smooth and silky this is. So what I'll do is just to tighten this cheesecloth and let all the water drain out. If you want to drink the water, you can, but if you want to discard it, you discard it. What I always do is I buy a lot of cabbage, blend it, and keep in the freezer. Whenever I want, I bring it out and I make. It can stay in the freezer for as long as 1 month. This is a very good substitute for gari or any kind of fufu, because this is really low carb. See what we have here, but you know you cannot take it like this because it just scatter, so you have to bind it. But you're going to see a twist I'm going to give to this our cabbage fufu now. So the water is all drained out, and this is my pot. We are going to make it like you are making semolina or semovita. Guys, you can see what we have here. This is the cabbage fufu. So the heat is on now. I'll allow it to cook. But from what you can see here, you can see it just scattering. And this is not how fufu is supposed to look like. So now I'll be using my Xanthan Gum. Xanthan Gum. This is how it looks like. It comes in a big pack, but I got the small pack that was already shared. So it is called Xanthan Gum. This is the Xanthan Gum, or you can use psyllium ox to bind it. Some people say you can use ogbono to bind. Some say you can use semolina, but this is the Xanthan Gum. Xanthan Gum does it perfectly well for me, and you can get it in any big shop around you or where they sell keto food. You can get this Xanthan Gum. So just a tablespoon of this will bind this our fufu, and you can see how it is white, or would I say greenish here. I know cabbage has this kind of awful smell, and most times you don't want to see that, but I'm going to make it look as if it is yellow garri that I made by adding into this place some palm oil, and you won't even know that it is cabbage fufu that you are eating. So it's cabbage fufu with a twist. I'll just cook it a little bit, let some water go out before I add in the oil and the xanthan gum. This is 1 tablespoon of the xanthan gum. This is my palm oil. Just add it like this, and then you keep stirring, and then you see the magic of our cabbage fufu. My people, this is our cabbage fufu. Is there any difference with your yellow garri? No difference. And this is so healthy to eat. If you are trying to lose weight, try and use cabbage fufu if you are craving for any type of swallow that doesn't have carbs. So it is fully cooked now, and I'll go and wrap it the way it's going to be served. Guys, if you have followed me up to this moment and you are liking what you are seeing, let me know where you are watching from. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos, give the video a thumbs up so that you encourage me. I need all the encouragement. So get your cling film or Santana cellophane, and then wrap it up the way you take it. This is even too much for one eating for me. If I'm going to eat this, I'm going to share it into 2. This is what we have. There's no difference with the yellow garri. And guys, you can see it's no longer scattering. Man, it's so hot. It's no longer scattering. You can see the way it is. You can hold it, and you can mold it very, very well. You see? And it's now stretchy. It's hot. It's now stretchy. So use your xanthan gum or your Salem ox for this, and then you are good to go. This can go with any type of soup, vegetable soup, egusi soup, or bono soup. It can go very, very well. So guys, this is what we have. This is our cabbage fufu with a twist. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.